What is going on, YouTube? Haven't done a video for you guys in a while, but I wanted to come in and tell you guys that I figured out something on my F30 with BC Racing Coilovers. I'm pretty sure many people have had this issue. I've tried searching it up to see if anybody has the answers. Uh, I keep getting this clunking noise. Well, I kept getting this clunking noise, and I figured out what it is. So after looking this over, people would say that this might be loose, the strut bolt, and I checked it, I tightened it, it was already tight, but these Allen bolts that connected to the camber plates, I tightened it, and with time they won't stay tight. So what I noticed was that it just kept coming loose, and I decided to get some Loctite. I got some Loctite for it, and literally it fixed the issue. Take all these off, clean the threads, put some Loctite, tighten it up, and I could assure you that it is not gonna clunk anymore in the front end. I also tightened these just a little bit more, but I don't think this was the issue. I honestly think it was this, because this can definitely come off with vibrations from the roads. And I hope this video helps you guys out, and leave a comment down below whenever you try it, and if it works out, put it on the comments, and maybe this would put a lot of people at ease, because I paid $1,500 for these stupid coilovers just for it to clunk. And I would hit small bumps and it would just clunk and clunk. It would drive me nuts. Well, yeah, that's the rest of the video. I wish I made like a video for it, like doing it step by step, but since I was changing my rims from my winter sets to my summer sets, I was like, let me give it a try. Since I already gonna have everything off and everything and all my tools out, let me give it a try, and hopefully this helps and works. And it did. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and hopefully this helps.